Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is October the 6th, 2021. I wanted to come in and do a price prediction in the market for Zoom Video Communication. The ticker symbol is ZM. Now, there's a YouTuber. His name is Nash. You guys can see it right here. He is asking the question, is this particular stock underrated? Is it undervalued? Because by that insinuation, you're trying to state that the value should actually be higher than it is currently trading, right? The video was posted on YouTube on August the 15th, 2021. The price of Zoom was $355.24. We appreciate Tom giving us that screenshot because it gives us a place as to what the value of Zoom was on October the 15th, 2021. Now I'm coming through and try to give you all a heads up that not so fast, that maybe the value of Zoom is undervalued. It is underrated. Maybe it might even be overpriced, and that the market needs to come down to find a place of equilibrium. So before I break this down as to where I'm going to show you where I'm looking for the price in Zoom to go, you guys want to tap in? Hit me up, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel, because one thing we do not do, we don't do all this due diligence. You guys can see that this video is about 6 minutes long. He goes into a lot of the fundamentals, a lot of what his expectations of what price should be. And I know I'm gonna get some comments out there that's gonna say he's a long-term investor. I get it. But if you were to take the information that he talked about on this video and acted upon it, you'll be down right now, as a matter of fact. The video was posted on August the 15th. So let me show you. August the 15th. This is where the market in Zoom was at, right? August the 15th. So I'm going to give it to you on August the 16th because apparently August the 15th was a weekend, right? And we're going to follow and see where the price is in Zoom right now. So currently, if you were to buy the market in Zoom when it was around $355, right? We would be down in that particular play from when he posted the video. The market is down 26%. Now look at this though. In order for us to really break even in price, if we were to buy the market at $350, it would have to increase 35%, 35.5%. The market would have to go back up in Zoom just for us to break even. Now, we're noticing weakness on the chart though. So even though the fundamentals of the company may look good, even though the expectations of future earnings may be exquisite, the value is not being dictated or is not being shown on the price chart though. So it really doesn't matter what Zoom Communications earnings reports is going to show, even into the future. If people don't want to come in and buy Zoom, then price will go down. If there's no interest for Zoom stock, price will go down. It doesn't matter what they do internally as a company. If nobody wants to buy the market, then understand price has to go down. So even though you may be down 20% right now, could we see the price in Zoom continue to go down further? Because look at the chart. The market in Zoom is in a downtrend. Let's not get it twisted. You all can visually tell that the price in Zoom has been in a downtrend ever since October 12th, 2020. 2020. And the trend hasn't broken. It's still there. The trend is still down, right? So on this particular video, we need to see, okay, cool. Since the price in Zoom is still going down, how low can we see it go before we see an area of support, before the market finds a very attractive spot to where they're willing to buy Zoom, right? So now look at this. Until we see the price in Zoom, okay, come in and break above this number right here, $300, there's no need for us to even consider that Zoom is going to go up in price. Nope, not right there. And then second area is around 325. Okay, let's not expect the price in Zoom to go up until price breaks above $300. That's the first area. And then the second area is around 325. Let's not even think about price in Zoom going up until that occurs. Now, $350 is even the third area. So there's 3 restriction areas that the price in Zoom will have to overcome just before we even see the market start an uptrend, right? 300, 325, 350. So based off that, we're going to continue to play the weakness. Now, let's just take a look at this. I'm gonna show you something. You guys can tell that right around this vicinity is going to be the closest area that we can see Zoom's price grab before we'll see the market find the price attractive. Right here. So now, as this price in Zoom continues to drop, $240 is the first spot that we need to be on the lookout to see, okay, cool. Are we seeing the market participants coming back in and grabbing the market? Are they now seeing the price of Zoom cheap? Because they will show us based off the volume that comes in. Because if we don't see no volume as Zoom price continues to decrease at $240, then we can't expect the market to continue to go lower. It's just that simple. So check this out. We're in a downtrend, right? We're going to look for the market to come in and try to grab support right there at 240, right? Let's say we don't. Then we're going to continue to come down. 200. Let's say it doesn't grab it at 200. Then the next area is going to be around 175. So I'm already giving you the play. We got 240, 200, 175. Those three areas we need to see the market come in and grab support, because if we don't, then it's going to be a very severe movement to the downside, right? I mean, from the highs into the market in Zoom, we've already seen this market value decrease 56%. So at some point, the market's going to try to come in and say, man, 50% cheaper than what the highs were. Let me come in and buy it, right? The market will dictate that to us. It will show us that. But right now, they're not here. Right now, they're not showing us their footprints. So we still know that the weakness in Zoom is still apparent. So I wanted to show you all this too on a 3 months time frame. Okay, 3 months. Take a look at this. Look at where price ended in Zoom over the last 3 months, right? This is extreme weakness. All of this weakness is occurring into the market in Zoom. Now he's trying to state that the market is undervalued, meaning that he's looking for the price to go up. But looking at the 3 months time frame, the market is telling us otherwise. It's not telling us that Zoom is underrated, that it's undervalued. It's not. Matter of fact, it's telling us that it may be overvalued and that price is going to continue to go down, right? So we're going to play the weakness. We're going to expect the price in Zoom to continue to go down. Now, I've shown you the three areas that we can see the price in Zoom go to, right? The first area is relatively close, right there around $240. I would definitely be paying attention to the market in Zoom to see if one, volume increases, and two, if we get strength into the market, because if so, that is precisely where the market is coming in and buying up. If we don't see that, then the next area is going to be here, around 200. That's another 22.5% for where market closed on yesterday's trading day. Third area is around 175. That's 32% movement to the downside that we can anticipate. So we got 240, 200, and then 175, right? So this is going to be our prediction. This is what our expectations are going to be into the market in Zoom. And don't forget, if we don't ever see the price come back up above and break above $300, we're going to continue to go down. If we don't ever see the price break up above 325, we're going to come down, right? So now, this is what we're looking forward to into the market in Zoom. Okay, right there. Playing some weakness. Now, profitability, 240 first, will give us around 5%, right? Around 5 and almost 6%. 200, It's around 23% we could eat off the market, and then 175. Okay. So now this is it. This is our price prediction. Now I want to know, are you in agreement with Tom? Do you think that the market is undervalued, or do you think it's overvalued? Let me know. Drop me a comment right now. Let me know your price prediction into the market in Zoom. As you guys can tell, we didn't look at no EBITDA. We didn't look at no earnings per share. We didn't look at their earnings revenue estimates for the next quarter, next year, next 5 years. We didn't even do that. We have already determined, based on what the market has done thus far, as to where it's still trying to go. So I want to know, call the markets with me. Let me know whether y'all think Zoom stock is going to go over. Let's do this towards the ending of this year, 2021. Where do y'all think the price in Zoom is going to be, right? Because I've shown you that 3 months chart, and I've shown you how extreme the weakness is into the market in Zoom. So let's take this to the end of this year. What do you think the price in Zoom is going to be? We got 3 more months. Let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.